Meow. Say hi, Milo. Meow. Hi everyone! Welcome back from Milo and myself. We were just hanging out by what I like to call Milo's window. He always sits here. When I got a super cool, super exciting notification. Didn't I, Milo? And since I got that super cool, super awesome, exciting notification, I decided, okay, it is time to vlog. So here we go. We're gonna do a travel vlog, a mini travel vlog, traveling into the kitchen, and we'll see what's happening there. Cue a dramatic drum roll. My ancestry results are in. So my DNA test results are in, and that's so exciting. I'm gonna pull my laptop a little closer, and we're gonna go ahead and explore and see what we find. Okay guys, so I have my computer set up, and you're gonna see a combination of this cam, phone cam, probably more me flipping my phone back and forth to see my reaction and also to show you what I'm seeing here. This is so crazy. It is the moment of truth. I am clicking on explore DNA results. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I'll show you a little bit. So when I click on the email, it takes me here. Oh my gosh, 31% from Scotland? What? We're gonna go to discover your DNA. So it looks like most of my ancestry is from the UK, Scotland being 31%. I was not expecting Scotland to be the #1 for me. If anything, I thought it was going to be either English or Irish. And I think it's so crazy that Scotland shows up that high on my DNA. I'm honestly so baffled by that. That blows my mind. All right, so it is 31% Scotland, 19% England, 18% Germanic Europe. So I'm assuming that's just Germany. We got only 15% Irish. Only 15% from Ireland, specifically Munster, Ireland, North Munster, Waterford. I don't know those places at all, but that's cool. I'm sure I can zoom in on the map, so we'll do that in a second. But oh my gosh, I have Eastern Europe and Russian. Maybe that explains why I have a pretty semi-decent Russian accent. That's kind of cool. So 10% Russian. Russian where? European Jewish. 1% from Wales. Let's see. Michigan settlers. I'm from Wisconsin, but sure, okay. And then those places, which is all in the Midwestern area, really. So that makes sense. So I'm going to click on what it says about my Scotland DNA. Looks like it's more this northern region of Scotland. That's really cool. I don't know if they have any more fun tidbits. Not really. Okay. Looks like we got a little bit of the French region. That's kind of cool. Looks like the Netherlands region as well as France. Germanic Europe. Ooh, look at all that Germany. That's so cool. That's only 18%, which is 1% lower than my England and my Northwestern European percentage. And then surprisingly, my Ireland is only 15%. That is insane to me. Looks like this is a big region for me. This area of Ireland, Southern Ireland. Then go to Eastern Europe and Russia. That's insane. 10%. I literally never would have guessed Russian, or at least that much Russian, but I think that's so neat. Also, from what I recall, based on what my sister and my mother and my dad, what they all had, I don't remember them having that much Russian in their results. I could be mistaken though. I'm excited to learn about the European Jewish though, what area that lies in. So we'll flip the camera so I can show you guys where that is. 6%. That is so neat. Okay, so my big question is though, when it comes to this map, is that where my ancestry is from? Or if that's just the general area for that specific ethnicity? I wish that was a little bit more clear. And maybe it is, I just didn't read like I should have. Here, I clicked on something, so I'll show you what it says. Okay, the map shows you how common an ethnicity is among people with a long family history in one place. We plot where we find that ethnicity based on average amounts we see in their DNA test results. Meow. can give you a rough idea of where your ancestors might have lived. I'm not really sure if that answers my question, but we'll just pretend like it does. So, oh, that's cool. Meow. Milo. Oh, kitty butt. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna check out Wales. 1% Welsh. And right there on the British Isle, there's Wales. So that's pretty much it. I didn't really look into the American with my phone pulled up, so I am going to check that out. From what I can see, it looks like my ancestors probably came to America around the 1800s. Very interesting. What it's looking like as far as my American ancestry is, I think what it's doing is showing when a large group of people with similar ethnicity made their way over to America, specifically this region of the Northwest. I'm confused by the timeline. For Michigan settlers, it says about 1800s. For the Ohio, Indiana, etc., 1700s. So I don't know if it's telling me that they washed up on shore around that time and made their way over or not, but interesting nonetheless. I'm definitely gonna take my time reading and talking with my family, comparing results with them, having them probably talk me through it so I can understand all of this a little bit better. But I just wanted to get my initial reactions, my initial shock, which is a big part of this video. I'm really excited to delve further into this. I know there's a way to link Ancestry accounts, so there's a way that I'd be able to get my mom's information, my dad's information, my sister's, etc., so that our information can all be shared with each other. I'm so excited. I know I keep saying that. Still, my mind is blown. I would have guessed Irish over Scottish, and I would not have guessed that I would have a higher percentage of German in me than Irish. It's only a 3% difference. This is so fascinating. It's such an interesting site. I definitely have a love-hate relationship with technology, but this is one of the most beautiful things that technology has for us nowadays, that not only can we reach out to people like through FaceTime, the world kind of shrinks in that aspect. The fact that a little spit tube has already told me so much about myself. Also, these sites like Ancestry.com, you can find long lost family members. I mean, I could meet someone that knew my grandparents really well and could tell me stories that I never heard before about them, and it kind of be like having them back in my life for a little bit. It really is a beautiful concept. So I am very pleased with this. If I do hear or find out anything interesting, maybe I'll revisit all of this, share with you guys, but for now, we'll just leave it as a fun, silly little reaction, and we'll call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you know anything about your ancestry, if you've ever done this before, feel free to talk about results in the comments, or let me know if you're from one of these places that showed up on my map. That'd be really cool to find out. Other than that, I think we're just gonna sign off for now. I just want to say I hope you guys are having a lovely weekend, enjoying your summer. Stay safe, have fun. As always, 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 stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.